Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you business idea, which I've been experienced myself, quite successful. I just thought maybe I can show you the same idea. You can give it a try. This idea is about to make this little bag. This type of bag is so useful. You can have so many use. You can use for makeup, put all your makeup in it, or use as pencil case. You can see it's big enough for pencils. My today's idea, what I'm going to show you is I had a successfully first attempt and talk to one of my local gift shop. I just show some of the patterns I have, what I made. They ordered 20 from me. So that's what I made. Then I'm gonna give my local shop. I also sell them on eBay as well. And I thought maybe I can show you this idea. You can do the same thing, make some extra cash. It's pretty, huh? So next I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this lovely little bags. So that's all the material I need, almost just one size. It's not complicated. The zip, the length, same as well. That's the size we need. This continuous fabric, you can see we have a problem. If you have to cut as two pieces. You can see if you finish it will upside down, so that's why we have to cut in. And then two pieces, I want to give the bag a steady feel. Have a steady feel. Obviously we need inside have like ironing on type interfacing fabric. Okay, the two pieces I want to cut a little bit. When they go on the zip, when they double it up, it's ever so thick for the machine to go on. So I find the easier if just cut a little bit. Just cut a thin strip round about 3 to 4 centimeters. Cut it. When they go on the zip, when it turning around on the zip, it will be a lot easier. You will see why actually. Okay, you do that and you're going to iron it on so they stable it. Now we're going to sew it down here. Okay, I hope that's not too confusing. Make sure the zip fits up on the lining, and we're going to sandwich the zip in it. That's the first step. We're going to sew this line. Before you sew it, we need to change the sewing foot to the zip foot to change this. Okay, Next thing I want to mention, you need to make sure the zip is open so you can turn inside out. Don't forget to leave it open, okay? And also, you see the zip? They need face lining to look like that. To face the lining inside, make sure they double it up. Now you got what I try to say here. It can't be too many layers. It's going to be too thick for the machine. That's why I cut the this piece of material. Cut it. So that's where you're going to sew. And this side will be the same. Will be the same. Make sure like that, and the face lining inside. Make sure the zip is open. You have to open. If you close it, when you zip it up, you're not able to turn inside out. Okay. Okay, we're going to give you a sew now. Okay, all the way. Give it a sew. Leave here open. Now I'm going to change back my sewing foot. Gap later, we're going to turn inside out. Before we turn, you see here, if you don't want to cut to the edge, make it wicked, you can fold it again according to the line. Then we're going to turn it, okay? Turn it so they should have a 90-degree angle like that. We'll do the same with that, and fold it, and fold it again. We're going to turn it. You can see the angle is almost perfectly 90 degrees. Obviously, give you good ironing, it's not bad, huh? So make sure the corner is extra neat. We're going to close up. We're going to close up down here. To close up, use a machine. Okay, after you close the open bit, then the whole thing is done. We just need ironing it and then make sure it's tidy when you give to the, when you're selling it. everything will be done. We just give it good ironing. A nice little bag, then you just complete with me. Then you can use the same idea to make a big one, small one, a half one. You can a little bit smaller and can become a little coin purse. It's just to use the same idea I just show you. I hope you learn something from me. And if you struggle with jobs or something, you can temporarily, while you find another job, you can make this type of thing to sell. Just get some extra cash for support your family or yourself. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. People love it. Especially this type of thing is timeless. You can, if your local shop is selling so well, you can sell it to them forever. Once they sold out, they will call you to order some more. So it's just endless opportunity. I hope you make a successful from my idea, which because I pretty successful use this idea to selling to my local shop. Good luck to yourself. Let me know how you're getting on. Please don't forget to put a like on. Thank you. Bye.